So you want to take a couple of quads out flying. One's got a DJI FPV system and the other has got an Analogue VTX system. And that means you're going to need to take two pairs of goggles out with you. A pair of DJI goggles like these and whatever Analogue goggles you use. But not anymore. This new product from British Drone Industries allows you to easily plug a FatShark module into your DJI goggles and it'll do both jobs. This is the Digidapter and this is the Whirly Bloke channel. When DJI fixed the Analogue input latency issue with a firmware update on these a while ago, it meant you could strap your favourite FatShark module onto the goggles and fly your Analogue VTX quads. But you needed to find some way to power the module and you needed some way of strapping it to the goggles. And of course loads of 3D print files and homebrew solutions appeared, but they all looked, well, a bit homebrewed. And then URUAV brought out this FatShark port adapter. It was stupidly cheap, I think it was about £9. And sure, it worked, and it worked pretty well, but it was mechanically quite weak. You basically use the bolts on the side here to bolt that module onto there. Now, even though there were lots of other 3D printed parts available to try and make this look a bit more engineered, it was still a bit scrappy. Although I have to say, this was a pretty cute lead for the video. Now, I bought this, used it a couple of times, and I caught it on a branch when I was out flying and it fell off, and I haven't really used it since. But now, British Drone Industries have produced this digital adapter called the Digidapter. It's a direct replacement for the pressed metal front plate, and it's got the 9-pin header in here to take a regular FatShark module. Now, it does feel a little bit flimsy at first, but the fit and finish are excellent and it looks like a DJI product, to be honest, especially when it's bolted in place. Now, I don't think this is injection moulded. It looks more like a high quality vac formed or pressure moulded piece. Whatever, it's up to the same quality as original DJI parts. There's two fantastic quality PCBs and a ribbon cable in here to connect everything up. They even use quality locking ribbon cable connectors on there. And you get a couple of leads for power and video, and you get a couple of hex screws to fix it on, because this is a little bit deeper than the standard front plate. And they even give you a small hex driver. Oops, small hex driver like that. Fitting is stupidly simple. Take the existing cover off and screw the new one on. Now you just plug your FatShark module in. This is my favourite OwlRC RX Diversity module. Plug the provided Y power lead in and plug the video connection between the top connector and the video input on the goggles. So there we go, all fitted. It took about probably 2 minutes. And this works, and it works beautifully. And it looks like a proper bought one. I've been out flying with this a few times and now I can't decide whether I should use my Sky Zones or these. But with the Digidapter I only need one pair of goggles in my flight bag, and they are pretty good goggles. Well, this isn't cheap at £45 or around $55, but you are getting what you pay for. It's a well designed and well built product that just works. Now, there are a couple of small things. Cable management is a bit lacking. It really needs some cable clips, but I'll put some Velcro straps around here and that will make it look a bit neater. And also I found I could feel the heat from this OwlRC FatShark module, because without unplugging it or taking the module out, it's still powered up even if you're not using it. It's not going to drain my battery that I use or anything, because I use this bad boy in my back pocket, but a small power switch on here would have been a nice touch. But other than that, these are totally awesome. You nailed it, BDI. As always, thanks for watching, and if you found that useful, give me a thumbs up and leave a comment. And if it's your first visit, then please do the subscribe-y belly thing up here to get notified when I post new content. I'll see you next time.